Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel NFTs Experts. I hope you all are doing well. It is my humble request to my new incoming friend to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so the new incoming video don't miss views. As you know, I always bring such wonderful project from which you can earn a lot of profit. So today's project name is courtiermall.com. The link of this website will be given in my video description box. So first of all, I will tell you how you can sign up an account in this website. For signing up an account, two type of procedure here is given: register by your email and the register by your phone number. So first of all, you have to select your first of all, I will tell you how you can register your account through your email. First of all, you have to put your email ID, then you have to set a login password which is easy to remember. Then you have to re-enter this login password that you have set. Then you have to put this invitation code which will be given in my video description box and click on the sign up now, and your account will be signed up in this website. For the phone registration, select your country code. After selecting your country code, you have to put your phone number and just click on the sign up now, and your account will be signed up in this website. Here you can select the language, your own option. Different types of language option here is given, and I have selected English as my preferred language. And you can also contact them on their online customer service. They will be available 24 by 7 for helping out in this website. So viewers, I already have account, so I will go into the sign in option, for which I am using the email login option. Then I have to put my email and then the password that I have set in the registration procedure here, and just click on the sign in now, and my account will be signed in this website. And here you can see I have successfully logged in an account in this mall carrier money making process. The latest investment project is now open to the individual user. Anyone can invest for a free, and the payment are automatically deposited into your account 24 hours a day. They solemnly promise that this platform will never be closed. They are safe and reliable platform to ensure the safety of everyone's fund. Now, new user can participate in the US 8,888 cash wheel draw for the after registration. Official website link here is given, and their certification here is showing, and you can check all the type of their investment details, and your commission rebate will be given to you, and you will get different types of rewards by inviting your friends, and all the type of detail here is given. You can check in the all the type of on the announcement panel, and you will be given different types of rotative wheel here is given, and you can click by just click invite your friend to recharge 60 to get a chance to rotate this wheel. And here you can see 0.8 is generated from, and after that you will get your prizes, and you will get different types of option like the recharge withdrawal option. App download, you can also download their app by just clicking on the download app and click on the download anyway, and their app will be downloaded, a file will be downloaded here, and you can start earning commission in their app here. In the company profile, you will get the profile company of this Cartier Mall. It in 1847, the Louis Frencios Cartier founded a Cartier brand at 31 Rio Monte Carlo in the Paris. In 1874, his son Jaffa Cartier inherited its management right, and its great son Louis Cartier, Perry Cartier, and the James Cartier had developed it into the world famous brand. In 1904, he designed the world first wristwatch Cartier Santos for the pilot Alberto Santos Dumont. 1994, the Cartier Contemporary Art Foundation moved to 261 Avenue Raspail, Paris. In July 21, Cartier became the new official partner of the Venice Film Festival Cartier money making process, and you can check all the type of detail here is given. For recharging this website account, you have to just click on the recharge option and copy this available address here, and after copying this address you have to go back to the wallet which are you using in your mobile. Make sure your network address in USDT, as you don't put the address that you have copied, then put the amount for the transaction and click on the next option. And when you have enough balance, you can proceed the next steps, and after completing the transaction you have to go back to the website account and click on the recharge complete, and your account will be recharged in this website after 1 to 3 minutes. After the recharging has not arrived for a long time, please refresh this page. And you can also withdraw your earned commission from this website if you want to. Task reset countdown is for the 24 hours format, and after 24 completing your task you will get your task in 24 hours. And the task hall, you can see different types of task hall here is given, for which you can invest your money in different types of task hall, and I am currently working on their VIP 1 task hall, for which investment amount required is 10 USDT, and up to the different VIP halls here is given. For each hall price will be different, and the a commission rebate will also be different. In the membership list, you can see their member are getting live commission, earning a lot of commission from this website, and country work on their different types of VIP halls. In the regulatory authority, you can see there's Cyprus, FMA, FC, ASIC are there. Regulatory authority. In the task list, you will get your in progress task, completed task will show here, and income generated from VIP 1 level is 2 USD for completing your task. When you complete your task, it will show in the complete task reset countdown. Here is showing you have to just click on the to complete, and your account will be recharged in 1 to 3 minutes after the recharging. And here you can see I have successfully completed my task, and it is showing here in task, and price generated price is 15 USD. Income is 2 USD. Complete time here is showing in the team option. You can copy this invitation code, invitation link, share with the family and friends, and ask them to join this website through your code and link. More members will join this website. You will be awarded with different types of rewards, and your all-time team details will show here. Like for the level 1, the commission percentage is 10%. For the level 2 is 3%. For the level 3 is 1%. The commission rebate will be given to you. Your team size, team recharge, team withdrawal, new team, first time recharge, and first time withdrawal will show here. By inviting in the VIP area, you will get your all the type of VIP hall. The brief introduction will be given to you. For example, for the VIP 1, daily task is 1, simple interest is 2, daily profit is 2, total profit is 18 USD. For the VIP 2, daily task is 1, simple interest is 13 USDT, and you have to just click on the unlock now. Complete the transaction of 75 USDT, and you will be you can unlock any of their level up to the VIP 10 level. For VIP 10, daily task is similarly 1, but the simple interest is 8,900 USD, and investment required is 36 about 34,000 USDT. In the new option, you will get your email on which you have registered your account, your current status of your working, your total balance, your recharge amount, your recharge withdrawal account detail will contain the basic account and the withdrawal account details. Financial records will contain the basic account, and the withdrawal income will show here. You can also transfer your withdrawal money to the basic account, put the withdrawal money, put password and confirm, and your money will be transferred here. And you can also modify your password by putting the old password, then set a new password. You enter the password and confirm, and your password will be modified here. You can also sign out this website application, and your all type of new notifications will be given to you. Your online customer service here is given. For withdrawing your money, just click on the withdrawal option, put the amount which is available for the withdrawal, then put your Tron address, go back to the website account, click on the receive option, and copy this available address here. After copying this address, you have to go back to the website account and just put the address that you have copied here, and put the password that you have set in the registration procedure here, and click on the confirm option. And after confirmation, when I receive my commission, I will show. And here you can see I successfully applied for the withdrawal. When I get my commission, I will show my balance sheet. And here you can see I have received 2 USD from this website account, just immediately withdrawing my money from this website account. I hope this video gives you a lot of information about investing money, earning commission. It's time to go. Goodbye.